Languages, with a complex implication for identity, communication, social integration, education, and development, are of strategic importance for people. Understanding things in one's own language gives clarity to thoughts and expressions. International Translations Day is meant as an opportunity to pay tribute to the work of language professionals who play an important role in bringing nations together, contributing to development and strengthening world peace and security. Thus, on 24th May 2017, the General Assembly adopted a resolution on the role of language professionals in connecting nations and fostering peace, understanding, and development, and declared 30th September as International Translation Day.
The English word translation is derived from the Latin word translatio. The International Translation Day is celebrated every year on 30th September on the feast of Saint Jerome, the Bible translator, who is considered the patron saint of translators. In 1991, FIT launched the idea of an officially recognized Translation Day to show solidarity of the worldwide translation community in an effort to promote translation profession in different countries.
Translators and interpreters play an important role in global business. They enhance the communication by conveying information accurately from one language to another in different countries across the world. A translator's work often goes unnoticed. A translator's job is far from simply interchanging the words that are equivalent in different languages. The lack of translation makes our life a bit more complicated. The human population wouldn't be at this point without translation and languages.
Translation is not a matter of words only. It is a matter of making intelligible whole culture. International politics demands accurate professional language translation. Achieving the right results in international politics requires effective communication. Political interpreting enables communication among world leaders and politicians in what appears to be a simple and straightforward manner.
Today, as we celebrate International Translation Day, let us not forget the sign language translators who translate language for deaf people. This helps provide complete and accurate information for deaf people. The actions of these translators help empower deaf people who have the right to be heard and listened to. Let us all learn sign language and do our part to help the deaf community.
Computer-based dictionary can be accessed anywhere and save a lot of space. Electronic versions of dictionaries tend to be cheaper because there's no paper, no ink and no shipping. They reduce the amount of time to do research, speed up the process of searching for words, and can be accessed from multiple platforms such as mobiles, laptops, tablets, etc. This is how technology is useful in translation.
Mercy, who is aves facilita nuestra comunicación.
Gracias a todos los traductores, tu trabajo significa mucho para nosotros.
Gracias Ago TV translators. Your opus multus estadonos.
Dung and Alavataris.
Arigato gozaimasu. Watashi tachi no sekai wa anata nashide wa onaji de wa arimasen.
Danke und einen schönen Tag.